everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you all more of my art. But before I get into this video, subscribe if you haven't already. I show a lot of different art. I do videos on helpful things and I give tips and advice. I do cooking videos. Actually, I'm going to be uploading a cooking video soon, so stay tuned for that. And I do a lot more on this channel, so if you're interested, subscribe. With that being said, I'm going to get to the first painting. So the first painting I'm going to show you is this one. I suppose I should have names for my paintings, but I don't. It's a painting of a heart with shapes all around it, inside it, and a nice colorful background. And this is a very abstract painting. I didn't really have much in mind when I sat down to paint. I was just like, I want to do something. I want to do a shape, and the shape that I chose was a heart because I was thinking about, you know, just different things that come from your heart, how you can love, how you love family and different things like that, and just, you know, and then I put the leaves under it, like the stem with the leaves on it, to show that love growing into just this big, beautiful thing. So yeah, that's basically the meaning of this picture, and I just put a bunch of random shapes and stuff in different places to, you know, make it unique and my own. And I especially love the background. I love doing nice, colorful backgrounds. So yeah. Next, I have a flower. It's a lotus flower. At the time, I didn't actually know it was a lotus flower. But yeah, it's a lotus flower. The main thing I like about this is it has an abstract look. Like it's not realistic. It's not realistically painted, but it still looks like, you know, a flower. And I love the background. It's funny though, when I first painted this, I was trying to have that realistic look. I was trying to make it look very real, but it didn't turn out that way, and I was so disappointed that I almost threw it away. Like, I was just like, this is not what I wanted, and I almost threw it away. Then my sister was telling me how great it was, and then my other siblings, and then my mom, and I thought about it. I looked at it, I was like, you know what, if I had this as a background on something, like maybe my desktop or something, it would actually look nice. So yeah, I definitely gained a lot of confidence with this particular painting. So yeah, I love flowers, so that's why I even chose to paint it in the first place. I love flowers. So the next one is another flower. As you can see, again, I did some kind of colorful background. I love picking two different colors that will go well together and just blend them in the background, and then focus on like the main thing. So the main thing is clearly this flower. I saw a picture like this online, so I figured I'd do something similar to it. And at first I was kind of disappointed in this as well because the stem just didn't turn out how I wanted it to, and some of the petals were uneven, and I didn't like it that much. But when I was completely finished and I looked at it, I was like, you know what, it's still good. I'm not gonna just throw it away. I'm gonna keep it. So yeah, it's in my portfolio with all my other paintings and drawings. I love to paint, but I don't paint as often because it takes a lot more time and effort, and if you mess up, it's hard to undo those mess ups. So I love to sketch, which is, it's easy to erase and all of those sorts of things. So yeah, this is a painting of a daisy. I really like this painting, and it didn't take that long, but it took long enough. So yeah. So with that being said, I hope you all like those paintings. If you do, comment below and tell me which one you like the most. Out of all three of them, I think I like the green one. Yeah, this one with the lotus flower. It's funny because this was the one I disliked the most at one time, but now it's definitely my favorite. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. And if you have any ideas of photos that you would like for me to paint, or different ideas that you would like for me to try to put on paper, then let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to either make a sketch or a painting out of it. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I have more information in the description box, and also visit my community where I post helpful scriptures, photography, different things like that. Oh, and I also post a lot of poetry. So far I only posted 2, but I plan on posting a lot more, y'all willing. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Thanks for watching.